As the new year dawns and winter takes hold in the northern hemisphere, January presents an incredible opportunity for transformative travel experiences. Whether you're chasing the northern lights or seeking summer sunshine in the southern hemisphere, we've curated the ultimate list of destinations that shine brightest during the first month of the year. Nestled above the Arctic Circle, Tromsø offers the perfect stage for nature's most spectacular light show. January brings polar nights, where the sun never quite rises, creating ideal conditions for witnessing the mesmerizing northern lights. Beyond the aurora, visitors can embrace authentic Arctic experiences, from dog sledding across pristine snowfields to whale watching in the Norwegian Sea. Picture yourself on a private overwater villa, surrounded by crystal-clear turquoise waters stretching endlessly to the horizon. January brings perfect weather to the Maldives, with minimal rainfall and temperatures hovering around 84 degrees. It's peak season for underwater visibility, making it ideal for snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs and encountering gentle manta rays. While the northern hemisphere shivers, Queenstown basks in the glory of southern hemisphere summer. January offers long, sunny days perfect for outdoor adventures, from hiking the Rowdyburn track to wine tasting in central Antigua. The crystal-clear waters of Lake Wakatipu provide a refreshing escape, while the surrounding mountains offer breathtaking views at every turn. January transforms Dubai into a pleasant paradise, with temperatures cooling to a comfortable range perfect for exploring. Experience the contrast of ultra-modern architecture against ancient desert landscapes, climb the Burj Khalifa at sunset, and venture into the desert for traditional Bedouin experiences. The famous Dubai Shopping Festival adds an extra layer of excitement to your winter escape. The austral summer makes January the prime time to explore Patagonia's dramatic landscapes. Trek through Torres del Paine National Park under clear skies, witness massive glaciers calving into pristine lakes, and spot wild guanacos against the backdrop of the iconic Mount Fitzroy. The long daylight hours give you plenty of time to soak in the raw beauty of Earth's southern edge. January transforms Banff into a winter wonderland, with snow-draped peaks and frozen lakes creating a magical landscape. The powder snow conditions are perfect for skiing at the Big Three resorts, while the town itself glows with cozy charm. Don't miss the opportunity to ice skate on Lake Louise or relax in steaming hot springs while surrounded by snow-covered peaks. Cape Town shines in January with long, sun-drenched days and minimal rainfall. Hike Table Mountain in the morning light, explore the vibrant Vienna waterfront, and venture to nearby vineyards in Stellenbosch. The beaches are at their best, and the famous South African braai culture comes alive in the warm summer evenings. Experience Kyoto's serene beauty under a dusting of snow, with ancient temples and traditional gardens transformed into winter wonderlands. January brings smaller crowds and crisp, clear days perfect for exploring the city's countless UNESCO World Heritage sites. Warm up with a traditional tea ceremony or soak in a local onsen after a day of temple hopping. January marks the height of the Serengeti's green season, when the southern plains come alive with the Great Migration's calving season. Witness hundreds of thousands of wildebeest welcoming their young, while predators lurk nearby. The dramatic afternoon thunderstorms create spectacular photographic opportunities against the endless savanna. Iceland's capital becomes a base for winter adventures in January, with the country's legendary landscapes transformed by snow and ice. Chase the northern lights, explore ethereal ice caves, and warm up in geothermal lagoons. The limited daylight creates an otherworldly atmosphere, perfect for capturing unique photographs of Iceland's natural wonders. Within the historic walls of this Caribbean gem, January brings perfect weather for exploring colonial architecture and vibrant street life. Wander through the Technicolor Old Town, where bougainvillea cascades down centuries-old facades, and street vendors serve fresh tropical fruits. As evening falls, join locals in Plaza Santo Domingo, where the warm breeze carries the rhythm of cumbia music through candlelit restaurants. Welcome to the world's most spectacular winter wonderland, where the famous ice and snow festival transforms Harbin into an illuminated city of crystal. Massive ice sculptures glow in rainbow hues against the night sky, while intricate snow carvings tell stories of Chinese folklore. Bundle up to explore this frozen fantasy land, where temperatures drop well below freezing to preserve these ephemeral masterpieces. Nestled among three volcanoes, Antigua greets January visitors with clear skies and mild temperatures perfect for exploring its cobblestone streets. Colonial churches stand in beautiful ruins against spring-like weather, while nearby coffee plantations begin their harvest. The absence of rain makes this the ideal time to hike Pacaya volcano or photograph the iconic Santa Catalina Arch. Summer reaches its peak along Queensland's famous coastline, where endless golden beaches invite you to surf, swim, and sunbathe. January brings warm waters and consistent waves, perfect for both beginning surfers and experienced board riders. Beyond the beach, explore the ancient rainforests of the hinterland or spot migrating humpback whales breaching offshore. The height of high season brings perfect weather to the Mexican Caribbean, with warm days and minimal rainfall. Swim in cenotes, those mystical natural sinkholes sacred to the Maya, or explore the ruins of Tulum perched above turquoise waters. The warm waters attract whale sharks and sea turtles, making it an ideal time for underwater encounters. Whether you're seeking winter adventures or summer escapes, January offers countless opportunities for unforgettable travels.